Brianna, welcome back to my channel. So for tonight's video, we are doing July's Barkbox video. So I did not get this for a very long time, so it's kind of similar to BoxyCharm. I don't know what it is. It must just be like a Canadian thing where we always get subscription boxes like the latest of the month. It kind of makes doing these videos pointless, which I apologize for. It's not my fault. It literally has to do with when the company ships the boxes and how long it takes for shipping. They take the payment though, like BoxyCharm and Barkbox take the payment at the beginning of the month, like the first of the month, but they take their sweet ass time to ship it. So I'm kind of frustrated about that because it's both companies do that. So like I get it, they have lots of customers they need to ship their boxes to, but like come on, the fucking 26th of July is kind of ridiculous to get my monthly subscription box. Like the first couple of weeks I could understand, but like at the end of the month, fuck off, because now they're gonna take payment again in fucking 4 days and I'll have to wait another month for the boxes. Like ship them on fucking time or don't offer a subscription box. That's just my little spiel for subscription services in Canada because they kind of suck. So this is July's Barkbox, so it looks like this. The packaging is the exact same as it was last time. I do believe because last box I had signed up, so it was my very first box, I got like double of everything. So I got extra toys, extra snacks, extra chews, all of that. This is just their regular box now, so I don't have all of the bells and whistles and extra things. So it's just their regular box of what you usually get. And it looks like this. So we got a pool party animals. Okay, so the theme is pool party. So the first thing I see is a little unicorn, and it's a little unicorn floaty, and I think that's really fucking cute. I have a floaty like this, but mine is a swan, so I think this is really, really cute. My dog is going to freak out about this. I cannot wait to give it to him and let him play with it and take off all of the plastic. But it looks like this. It is super cute, and it crinkles, and it's supposed to squeak. Oh, there's the squeak. All right, so he's gonna love this. Toki is really gonna like this one. And then I also got a juice box. Oh, I can hear him outside my door. He can hear the squeak. So I got a juice box, which also squeaks. Oh my God, that's really cute. So, I hate that they put these stupid tags on them. Like, I don't care. My dog doesn't need a tag. So this is a wine spritzer pool boy pouches. So it's the booze hounds. That's what these are. This is so fucking cute. So it's a juice box and it squeaks. He's gonna absolutely love that. The next item I see is a gobble turkey nibbles turkey recipe with sweet potato. So we got farm raised turkey, meat jerky, and naturally smoked. So they look like this. I hope my dogs like this. I'm sure they will. They like little bites, so I'm sure they'll like that. We also got a wacky wacky soft baked bacon and oatmeal recipe. So we got 2 meat ones this time, so that's really awesome. And then we got a pork stick. So this is a no soy, corn, or wheat pork stick. My husky is going to really enjoy this, and it comes with 2. So I'll probably give them this one to the bigger dogs and the toys to my little one because he'll love them. But this is all of the items that you could have got in the subscription this month. So we got the Tina the tubular unicorn, and we got the juice box. You could have also got a drool blaster squirt gun, a fruit sniffs kebab, a tadpole, which is like a little frog, and you could have got a slobber melon pop. So I wish I had gotten the slobber melon pop. I think that would have been really, really cute. But I do like the 2 toys that we got. I think that's really cute. I do wish the subscription box was a little bit bigger for how expensive it is. It's about 35 USD, so it is quite expensive. But I mean, it's still cheaper than getting the toys at the store because a toy like this is probably about $9 already. So it is worth it, but at the same time, it is very, very expensive. So I'm a little disappointed with how expensive it is versus how much you get. I wish you got like 3 toys and 3 treats rather than 2 toys and 3 treats. I kind of wish that I had a toy for each one of my pets, but that's okay. I am now going to take this all out of my studio and give these to my dogs and show you guys their reactions. And then I will come back on here and I will basically just talk about their reactions because it's gonna be really cute. But I will be right back. I'm super excited, and this is what it looks like all in the box when it's laid out really, really nicely. So everything is super cute. I'm so excited. I love the fact that we got a unicorn. I think that's adorable, and my little Yorkie is going to love it. So this is what the box looks like, and it's really, really, really cute. Oh my God. Okay, so let's go see their reactions. So I have my Barkbox and I have all 3 of the dogs. You ready? Let's do this. What's this? Oh my goodness. What's this? Do you want it? Well, he likes that already. Do you want something? Look at this. Oh, it's a Duke's box. Oh, that's yours, huh? All right. I guess you want the toys. And do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? What do you say? You speak? Oh, come here. Can you spin? Spin? Oh, is that good? Oh, you lost your toy already, huh? Toki, do you want a treat? A catch? That was not a catch. Toki, do you want a treat? Ow! It's my finger, you jerk. Well, they like these ones so far. Gobble turkey nibbles are a success. Wakey soft baked bacon oatmeal recipe. Toki, do you want a treat? Come here. Oh, they're so cute. They have little hearts on them. Oh, now you come. You want this? Oh, you got your little unicorn. And he liked it. Okay. And the last treat is the pork stick recipe for dogs. Dogs are getting a treat of everything. Here we go. And you got a unicorn. So, okay, bye. Okay, so you guys just saw the footage of all of my dogs. Sorry if it was kind of shaky and all over the place. It's just me filming today. Last time I had my friend Connor over and he helped me film. So they really like the toys. I can hear my little one squeaking, the little unicorn. He's off in his little bed, squeaking away, and he's obsessed with it. And the other two really liked the treats, so they're both chewing on the chew right now. I only had two chews, so I couldn't give one to Toki. I could have broken them in half, but he's more interested in the toys than the actual treat, so he didn't really care. He kept running away, and I had to keep calling him back. So the tuna, the tubular unicorn, has a custom squeaker in it. It's like shaped like a macaroni. It has a crazy crinkle and it says pose and play. And then the juice pooch has a squeaker, crazy crinkle, and pose and play in it. So both of those toys are really cute. And then the treats, the dogs really liked. I think they liked the wacky soft bakes a little bit more. My little one didn't seem too interested in these ones. He was more interested in the toys, but he definitely loves treats regardless. So I'll definitely put these in their little treat containers and they'll have those the rest of the next couple of weeks. So I do think that this month was a success. I do really like the toys that they got. The toys are really cute. I do wish there was 3 though, like I said, because I have 3 dogs, but I mean, this is just the standard box. I think you can get like different subscription tiers, but this is all I can afford, so this is all they're getting. Like I said, wish that these subscription boxes actually did arrive on time, and you already heard my kind of rant about that, but it is what it is. Being in Canada, it just takes forever to ship things for some reason, and it's very frustrating. But I do think that the dogs really enjoyed it, and I'm impressed. So I'm going to continue for the next couple of months with Barkbox because I signed up for the 4-month subscription. I think it was like a quarter of a year or something I have to continue to use it for. So I have another 2 boxes to go, and we'll see if I'm going to sign up after that. I'm not too sure. They really liked last month's box, but they got way more stuff in it, and I think that was a little bit more worth the price when we got double of everything. This month was kind of a little lackluster. I do wish we got double of everything every time because I think that would kind of appease the price point a little bit more, but it is what it is. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye.